Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I have my Love From Lizi August 2022 card kit. The theme is Sun, Sea, and Sand. If you're interested in this kit, I do have links provided in the description box below. So let me show you everything that's included. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. We have a light blue, a pinkish purple, a buttery yellow, white, and also a light yellow. And the white is alcohol marker friendly. There is a ton of paper included. We have lots of pattern paper, and then there's also a bunch of punch outs. So I'll show you the pattern paper first. And if you haven't noticed yet, this kit features the Santoro girls, and I know they are very popular. The last time Lizi had a kit featuring the Santoro girls, it sold out right away. So if you are interested, I would suggest not waiting. I do have links in the description box for the entire release. We have a nice assortment of patterns. Several of them have the image of the little girl, and then there are a few that have that watercolor distress look to them. This final sheet has a really large image, so this would be perfect in a scrapbook or a larger project. Won't really work as well on an A2 size card. So now here are all the punch out sheets. Several of the sheets have decoupage images, and the way those work is you'll layer several pieces together using foam dimension, and they are numbered. They have letters and numbers, so you know which set goes with which set. You can use all of those pieces together, layer them up really thick, or just use 1 or 2 of the images. I tend to use about 3 since I don't like to have my cards super thick. The little girl image is absolutely adorable. I love her little sailor look, although I think the pirate is my favorite. She is so sweet. There's also several punch outs that simply have an image. Some of them have sentiments, but I noticed there aren't a ton of sentiments this time. I like the variety of sizes of the punch outs. Here's a couple that are really large. I think they're 4 by 4. There's smaller ones. There's a couple that you could use for journaling elements. I love the little postcards. Here's a sheet with a nice variety of different tags. There's another sheet with some tags. There are a couple sentiments. This one's fun. It has all those different shapes, and there's several pieces together, so you could create little frames. Trying to show it without punching out everything. And then there's even some very small icons. There's a little crab, so you could punch that out and use that on your card. The final sheet has long strips, so these are great for borders. Next up we have the stamp set, and it features one of the Santoro girls, the little sailor. There's a couple other little images, the little sharks, and also the crab. For peel-offs this month, we have a brand new blue color in the pinstripe style, and this is a gorgeous blue color. The sequins this month are beautiful ocean colors with the blues, some clear, there's a little bit of iridescent color in there. This is a sample size bag. You can always purchase a full-size bag as an add-on. Next we have the dies. There are 3 dies included. We have the whale. There's the seahorse, which is my favorite. And then we also have the oyster with the little pearl in the center. Isn't that fun? Now I'll open up the embellishment bag. Lots of little goodies in here. We have a strip of clear gemstones, and there's also some heart-shaped gemstones. Then we have some fun pre-tied bows, and the ribbons have the same Santoro images on them. And I love the variety of sizes, and they're really nice because they're pre-tied. But if you're great at tying bows, Lizi has included all 5 of those ribbons. You'll receive 1 meter each of all 5 different designs. Most of them are more of a cream color, but there's the one design that's a pretty purple, and that one has the little girl image on it. Inside the kit there's another small embellishment bag. Go ahead and open that up. We have some wooden pieces. There's 5 different images, and also 5 little rhinestone stars. So for the wooden images, we have a boat, a shell, there's a little toucan, an anchor, and also a palm tree. And here are those beautiful star rhinestones. There isn't any adhesive on the back, so you will need to use liquid adhesive or maybe a small glue dot. The final item included in the kit is a sheet of small foam squares. So these are perfect to use with the decoupage punch-outs. So that's everything that's included in Love From Lizi's August 2022 card kit. I did receive a few add-ons. The first add-on items are the 2 peel-off packs. These are 4-pack bundles, always a really good price. The set on the left is the variety bundle. So we have the straight design, a couple of pinstripes, and also some mini stars. The set on the right, it's all pinstripe. That beautiful bright yellow, there's a pretty pink, there's a blue iridescent glitter, and also a yellow iridescent glitter. Now Lizi has 2 new peel-off bundle packs. These are 6 packs. So the set on the left, we have 6 different beautiful blues. And then the set on the right, we have 6 beautiful greens. Both of the packs are all the pinstripe style. So there's always 3 different widths included. Several of the colors have that pretty mirror finish. Others have more of that vinyl finish. But they're all beautiful and they work well with the ocean themed kit. And I always say you can never have too many peel-offs. One of my favorite embellishments to use on my cards. Next up we have the Sun, Sea, and Sand bumper pack. So this is very similar to the papers that are included in the kit. It includes the exact same pattern paper, so I will flip through this really quickly. The bumper pack also includes all of the punch-out sheets that are included in the kit, and then it does have a couple additional sheets. So in the bumper pack, we have the alphabet stickers, and there is a full alphabet, so you'll be able to create lots of different sentiments. And it also includes numbers and punctuation. Here are the other sheets that are included in the bumper pack and not in the kit. So we have punch outs to create little envelopes, little pockets. These would be fun to include on the outside of the card, or you could put it in a scrapbook. Add a little journaling card or a note on the inside. Here's another sheet of tags. The 2 images at the bottom. This would be perfect for a little bookmark. Just punch that out and it's all good to go. Here's some of those little envelopes you can fold together. Add a little message on the inside. Another sheet with more of those envelopes. And then the final sheet is the same that's included in the kit. The next add-on is a die set. There are 2 dies included. We have an anchor and also the little steering wheel for a ship. You can see the size. They're about 2 by 2 inches in size. The final add-on I received is the pearlescent cardstock bundle. There are 8 sheets included. I love Lizi's pearlescent cardstock. It has a beautiful shimmer finish on one side and then it's white on the other side. The pearlescent cardstock bundles are very popular and they do tend to sell out quickly. Now here's another look at Love From Lizi's August 2022 card kit. The theme is Sun, Sea, and Sand. If you are interested in purchasing the kit or any of the add-ons I showed in this video, I do have links provided in the description box below. And there are lots of other add-ons, so I'll also put a link for the full release. This is a monthly kit and quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. And I have a feeling this kit will sell out quickly. Coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this fun kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.